Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game version and making a backup of your save and game files. This protects progress if something breaks. Once done, enable hidden files so you can access the game directory reliably. Next, open the Yandere Simulator folder and locate the game's assemblies. You need the assembly C#, DLL, or the debug build files. Make sure to copy that file to a safe location and label it clearly. This lets you revert if the debug tools modify core code. Now you replace or add the debug assembly and adjust config values. You should place the debug assembly C#, DLL into the game's managed folder, overriding only after your backup is saved. Then open the configuration file, often named Yandere dev, CFG or similar, and change the debug flag to true. This enables developer menus and logging. Once done, create a dedicated shortcut that launches the executable from this modified folder so you avoid accidental normal launches. Finally, launch the modified game and press the known debug hotkeys, often F1, F2, or a developer console key, to confirm the debug menu appears. If the game crashes or menus do not show, revert to the backed up assembly C#. DLL and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the issue. Make sure to check the game logs in the folder for missing asset errors or stack traces. These logs explain why something failed and guide the precise fix, so you can re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.